In this video, I will show you how one can create a bar chart from scratch in Ikigai. I will be creating a bar chart comparing predicted and actual value of houses with compared to LSTAT. We need to go to the datasets tab and click on the three dots of dataset on which we want to create the chart. Here I am selecting the predictions output dataset and select the add chart option. I will name the chart as bar chart for prediction versus LSTAT demo and click on create. It will take me to the chart creation window of Ikigai. By clicking on view all charts, we can see there are various options to create charts. I will search bar chart and select a bar chart. Now we need to select the matrices that we want to display on the y-axis. So first go to simple and I'll select the MEDV, which is the median value of houses, and select the aggregate as sum. So it will have all the aggregate quantities, and I will rename it as actual prices. Now click on save and click on the plus button of matrices. Now I will select predictions and again aggregate as sum, and I will rename it as predicted prices and click on save. In dimensions, we will select the parameter for x-axis. We'll go to simple, select LSTAT and click on save and click on update the chart. Our bar chart is ready. Also, we have various options of customization. Here we can sort the chart on the basis of LSTAT by clicking on the plus icon of sort by. Then go to simple and select LSTAT. Then select aggregate as sum and click on save. You can unselect sort by descending order and click on update chart. There are still many customization options. We can select the customize here and change the color theme of the bar chart. We can also give labels to x and y axis. For y axis we can name it as price, and for x axis we can name it as stat. Also we can change the angle of the x axis label. We can select here as flat and click on update chart and can save the chart and again click on save. Now I will show you how we can put the chart by drag and dropping to the dashboard. We'll go to our dashboard, open the dashboard. Once the dashboard window is open, I will select the tab on which I will drag and drop the chart, then click on add dashboard. Select the chart option here. Here we find the chart that we created just now. Now we need to drag and drop it to the tab where we want to put it. So I'm dragging it in the price prediction tab and just dropping it here. Now my chart is here in the dashboard. I can change its dimension. After adjusting the dimension, click on the save button and our chart is on the dashboard and our dashboard is ready. So it's that easy to create a dashboard in Ikigai. Thanks for watching.